There's no denying that bringing home a new piece of furniture is fun. But you can't beat upcycling and exercising your creative muscles. Here's how. Remove all the drawers, hardware, and feet and ensure the piece is stable. Fill any holes or cracks with wood filler. Once dry, lightly sand the filler smooth. Wipe away any dust and debris. Now the fun part with BeautiTone furniture and cabinet paint. Paint all surfaces and any overhang under drawers with a flocked foam paint roller for a smooth pearl finish. Evenly coat all sides and allow to dry for 12 hours before a second coat. Apply a second coat the same way. For added flair, paint the inside and sides of the drawers. Reinstall all the drawers, doors, and new hardware, and voila! A custom and unique piece of furniture has been given a new lease on life. Decorate with your favorite treasures and enjoy.